Welcome back to ShopTalk. Let's rev up your protection at your auto repair shop with our informative guide for insurance planning. Owning and operating an auto repair shop comes with its own set of challenges, and one crucial aspect that is often overlooked is insurance planning. In the world of vehicle maintenance, it's essential to have the right coverage to protect your shop, employees, and customers. In today's video, we will explore some often overlooked aspects of insurance coverage and provide tips on choosing the right policies for your auto repair business. First, let's talk about the pitfalls of overlooking insurance essentials. Auto repair shops face unique risks that require comprehensive insurance coverage. While many shop owners focus on general liability insurance, there are several often overlooked aspects that demand attention. Garage liability insurance. Commonly, businesses may rely solely on general liability insurance, but specific garage liability coverage is tailored to the risks inherent at auto repair shops. It protects against claims related to customer vehicles, tools, and equipment. Business interruption insurance. What if a fire or other disaster forces you to close temporarily? Business interruption insurance can be a lifesaver, covering lost income, ongoing expenses, and even relocation costs. Employee practices liability insurance. Employment-related issues can be a significant concern. EPLI protects against claims related to wrongful termination, discrimination, and other employment-related issues. Cyber liability insurance. As technology becomes more integral to auto repair shops, the risk of cyber threats increases. Cyber liability insurance safeguards your business in case of data breaches, protecting sensitive customer information. Now, let's talk tips for choosing the right policies. Assess your risks. Conduct a thorough risk assessment specific to your auto repair shop. Identify potential hazards such as tools, chemicals, and customer property. This will help determine the types and amounts of coverage you need. Work with an experienced agent. Seek out an insurance agent with experience in the auto repair industry. They can provide insights into the unique risks your business faces and help tailor a policy that meets your specific needs. Bundle policies for cost savings. Bundling different insurance policies, such as general liability, garage liability, and property insurance, can often result in cost savings. Discuss this option with your insurance provider to maximize your coverage while minimizing costs. Regularly review and update coverage. Your business is dynamic, and so are its risks. Regularly review your insurance coverage with your agent to ensure that it keeps pace with changes in your operations and the industry. Invest in employee training. Implement safety protocols and provide ongoing training for your staff. A well-trained team can contribute to reducing risks and potential insurance claims. Being proactive with insurance planning is as crucial as tightening a lug nut. By addressing often overlooked aspects of insurance coverage and carefully selecting the right policies, you can fortify your auto repair shop against unexpected challenges and ensure a smooth ride for your business. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.